Another day, another gala, gala ni
So, ayun na nga, gala starts here na talaga. So, around 5:30, nandito kami sa airport ngayon ng Cebu. Sabi nila maganda daw ang airport ng Cebu, parang mall. So, eto, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. And in fairness ha, maluwag and maaliwalas yung airport nila dito. And ang daming stores. Medyo puyatan nga tong naging biyahe namin. And nagugutom na kami, kaya hanap muna kami ng makakainan. Medyo mataas pa yung energy namin dito kaya naglibot muna kami dito sa airport ng Cebu and now nandito kami sa international airport nila. Dahil nga first time ko dito sa Cebu, gusto kong namnamin yung view, yung ambience, and ito nga tong airport na to sikat nga daw kasi nga napakaganda ng structure dito. Kaya lang bawal kami pumasok. Kaya silip-silip lang tayo. Ang ganda nga talaga ng airport nila dito, napakalinis and napakaayos. Sana lahat ng airport ganito, 'di ba? Hindi lang yung pang-international. Ang kulang lang dito yung mga I love Cebu or I love Philippines. Wala silang ganun dito. Sana lagyan nila para mas maganda. And next, let's go to Busuanga. Sobrang excited na ako dito and kasama ko pa yung brother ko. And ayun, let's go. And ganito nga yung nasakyan namin na plane. Medyo mas maliit na siya, 2-seaters na lang. And ayun yung Cebu view. Goodbye Cebu, see you soon. Ikaw naman yung pupuntahan ko next time.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle.
Finally, we're here sa Francisco B. Reyes Airport, Busuanga. So guys, ready your 200 pesos per pax for the environmental fee. Oh my God, pangarap ko lang to. Welcome to Coron. So ayun nga, for less hassle travel, nagbook na ako ng tour package sa JYN Travel and Tours for 4 days and 3 nights. May van transfer na siya, accommodation, and foods. With city tour and island hopping. Visit their Facebook page for more details. And this is where we stay. So, dito kami mag-i-stay sa Cebuanas Travelers Inn for 4 days and 3 nights. And let's tour around. This is the lobby. Meron silang free wifi dito and then complimentary breakfast. May mga snacks din dyan, pwede kayong bumili. And then, meron din sila ditong unlimited coffee. Plus, for drinking water naman, meron silang water dispenser dyan. Mag-refill na lang kayo and mineral naman yan. Pwede rin kayo dito magdala ng pagkain from outside. Ayun, linisin nyo lang siya. Wala namang car cage. Make sure mo lang na merong utensils yung nadali mong pagkain kasi not available yung mga utensils nila kapag hindi breakfast time. Malinis and maaliwalas dito and okay naman yung mga staff nila. Assist ka nila agad. Yung way papunta sa mga rooms. So, ito yung room na nakuha namin. Good for 3 bucks. So, it's a basic room with aircon naman and malinis din naman, maayos. Tapos may lagay ng things. And then, yung restroom naman nila may hot and cold showers is also available. Pero yung mga bath essentials, dala na lang din kayo. So, nag-rest muna kami after namin yan. And then, yung next naman is ito na.
So welcome pala sa aming lugar. So ako pala si Nabit po, ang yung magiging guide for today. And also our driver po si Kuya Masari. So meron po tayong 5 destinasyon po natin pupuntahan. So first stop natin, ito yung Walhati Park. Yes, so sa Walhati Park, yan po yung pinaka-docking area for the island hopping po. Yan po yung pinaka-baywalk po namin dito po sa Coron. And then po after that, ay bibisita po tayo sa simbahan. So ito yung San Agustin Parish po. So isa po sa mga old church po dito. And then kung pangatlo ay mag-hiking kayo. Yes po. Isa hiking naman, meron siyang 721 stairs lang po. 721 stairs. Stairs po hindi po steps. Stairs po. Yes po. So kagandahan naman po nun is makikita niyo po yung pinakakabuong po ng town proper ng Coron. So hindi po mandatory kung ano lang po yung kaya niyo po. Sige po. Kasi sa ngayon po ay napakainit po ng panahon. Yes po. And then yung next stop natin ay pupunta tayo sa Cash History and Souvenir po, ma'am sir. So may pagkakataon na po kayo kung gusto nyo po ay mag-window shopping at bumili ng mga pasalubong po. And then yung last stop natin, yung Makinis Hot Spring po. So yung hot spring po namin dito, ma'am sir, is dagat. So meron siyang 38 to 41 degree lang naman ang kanyang init po. 38 to 41 degree lang. So I hope you enjoy po. Kung may nais po yung katanungan sa abang tour po natin, tanong lang po kayo.
First stop, yung kanilang I Am Coron or ito yung pinaka-plaza nila or Manila Bay nila dito sa Coron. So what you can do here is mag-take kayo ng mga pictures, ayan, and dito din yung kanilang dock. Yan, so kung yung mga island hopping, dito yung meetups. Perfect nga dito mag-sunset and ayan, magtambay-tambay lang. The Jubilee Church. And yung pang third stop namin dito sa may Mount Tapias. Mount Tapias is one of the most iconic landmarks in Coron, Palawan, offering a panoramic views of the town, Coron Bay, and the surroundings of islands. So, Tapias, it's a Filipino word meaning nakat or na-chip, ganon. So, sabi, during World War II, nabomba daw to and then natapyas yung pinaka-peak ng mountain. And it's 210 meters above the sea level. And yung steps naman niya is 721 stairs daw, sabi ni Kuya Tour Guide. And paakyat naman, it will take like around 20 to 40 minutes. So habang pataas ka ng pataas, paganda ng paganda yung view na nakikita mo dito. So nandito na kami sa 700. And ganito na yung view na makikita mo.
Dito naman sa tuktok ay bubungad sa inyo yung isang malaking white cross. It symbolizes a hope for the Coronians. And mula nga dito, kitang-kita mo na yung ganda ng Coron at yung iba pang mga isla. Best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon to avoid the midday heat. And also to catch the best sunset or sunrise view. On the other side, mga mountains naman yung makikita mo dito. Napakaganda, grabe, lalo na sa personal, sobrang magical yung pakiramdam. Yung feeling na pumasok ka sa isang magandang painting, ganon. Sobrang worth it yung naging physical challenge na experience ko kay Mount Tapias kasi 'di ba ang ganda. Next stop naman dito sa Nol Cashew Souvenirs and Pasalubong Center. And yung last stop is the Makinit Hot Spring. So after mo mapagod sa pag-hike sa Mount Tapias, it's time to relax naman dito sa Makinit Spring. Approximately 30 minutes away lang to sa Mount Tapias, kaya lang ang daming tao kaya hindi ko na nagawang mag-relax dito and natulog na lang ako sa van sa sobrang pagod. But it's definitely a must-try experience dito sa Coron. That's all the tour for day 1. For the dinner time, dito naman kami sa The Old House Restaurant. Along the highway lang naman to, so madali lang siyang hanapin. Akit lang kayo dito sa may second floor and nandun yung kanilang restaurant. So yung style nila dito is American old house yung datingan, but it's good naman. So okay yung space nila for dining and meron silang bar and meron silang art fresco doon or yung parang veranda. Tapos yun, may mga tables din dyan sa labas. Our day 1 was so good. Nakakapagod kasi from biyahe tapos nag-tour. And then eto, syempre kainan na. So I'm going to end this day na may masarap na pagkain naman dito sa Coron. So, ito yung menu nila. May starters, sandwich, mga sizzling, and may mga lutong bahay. Syempre, yung paborito kong sinigang ay hindi mawawala. And yung nilaga. So, ito nga yung itsura namin. Wala na kaming energy. Talagang for the kain na lang. And then after, gusto na namin mag-rest. Sobrang napagod kami for this day. But it's worth it. So, hello Coron. Mukhang marami pang magaganap. So, hanggang dito na lang muna and see you on my next vlog.
Help me find my peace, help me let go.